Njandini Production.
Yeah, it's me now. Bangisho below me ngibheke estudio kwi-mic ngifika ngasadle ngoba isikhathi si-rife sound rough ne-voice rough ngibhala kwi-rough iram ngiyadraft no big of an eye ngathi izolkhoshwa light bright believe in shaker one way mangibhala into ebhebhezela isom-rap ngathi ngirapha kwesatrekha move omreke bayifeki bayasaba bakazi bakhisha inyoni basebancane mabengona bayathuka bathuka nenhlamba bablame aba-pipelines abanawo mina ngisikhokho bona abayizinja bayangibhayitha creative nenza umuntu offline ndabona ukuthi ngineskili ngoba ulimi lwami namandla luqhuma umqondo omningi ngithathe lubeke esithombeni phela ngivilaphi ngiyabhala esikoleni ngafunda history mabhaza in a form of essay mina-ke ikutshela istory ma-songs are guaranteed that shows ukuthi original esikoleni ngafunda history ngaqeda manje I'm making history kinda like practicals now yeah extended writing it's a well written warning ngiyibhalile amabhazi maningi amaphatshe maningi ngangozulu ebuye emakheni mina ngumzulu hayi izulu kodwa abantu irami ngiyabanika elizulu ngasisa ngislipha ngamakhala ngakhula ngihlala nogogo then ukubi movie ngabi based on true story stating out the facts ngathi ngiquote kwi-case study ngafunga ngiyashela amangu kwi-mic ngoba ngiya-impress ngiya-express I just say what I feel and I just say how I feel ngishangoza mqolo wamabhasi wena umfula ngizogcwalisela lyrical wise ngiyasika and wise futhi ngineskili phela mina ngifuza umdali nami ngiyacreate ngisebenzisa umqondo ngicabange ngijule ngihlanganise ama-idea ngibreake down ila ngihlanganise ngihlaziye phume good bar even nongaphuza utshwala yawa-enjoy amabha wami ngisha ngamalenzi angashesha uku-expire ngafunga ngwastore efrijini imike ibheva ngocherry mase ngihamba ukhali i-turn off kanti uma ngifika kwi-mic ngiyasatisfya ngi-turna on mina ngiyagula hayi khona uma ngikwi-mic ngisuke ngiconsult i-medication yami ibit angidli ngomlomo ngidla ngendlebe uma ngisesitulo ngisuke ngisesibhedlela uma ngisestage ngisuke kuseskiniki ukhala abafundisi mase ngirap best lami idlula imtshumayelo phela uma ngidrayiva ngiyayi-worship ngoba imoto ngiyayidumisa usiphaze kade akudla muva phusha ngathi beka-kickstart ngisazophusha ngiyaphambili phela mina ngiyimemba ye-kickstarter that is my crew noma ngisolo kodwa nginekteam ngathi ngikhapha uJordan Sparks angijahenda one step at a time makuthi nifuna ukungibhekla ngingaba ngisani 1% at a time kodwa noma ngenzani ukuthi mina nifana netruku isokha ngizonishaya same time this is not a verbal warning I'm reading up the written warning you can call my mouth and amplify cause when I rap I sound louder if action speak louder than words then I speak louder than action ngirekhoda ngifaka ama-earphone that's why mangirapha ngibanga umusindo ngihlola umusindo ngokubanga umusindo ukucheck ukuthi ungakanani umsindo ngafunga ngisponsorwa i-sunlight ngoba amabhazi ngiyawakhiqiza mina ngi-open minded ngizitha lwazomzulu ngiya-observa mangibhala ngathi ngixabana nentambo emaradoni ngoba kuhlezi ngishaya ama-lines angikho kumaradoni kodwa ngiyagijime nama-lines ami ayashaya i-written warning ngiyabanika kule game noma nami ngiyi-messenger akekho phethe kwi-hip hop wayitholi ikhona uzoyishiya ikhona phela mina nginobizwa lapho hip hop ngiyaboniswa ngoba ngibhalele track inhloso yami ukukhombisa isibonakaliso mina ngigibela noma ngabi yiphi beat angikhethi kunalezi egibela ama-beat amunandi kuphela bese zayikubhedela zicasha ngama-beat amnandi sifuna kuthiwe nswempu mina ngizokutsheleka bob ngokhulu ungathuki ingoma yakhe ayikho nswempu kodwa i-beat inswempu vezi khona uma ngenalo kule game hey mina ngizocosha nansi i-written warning ngeke ukufaka uzama ukudikha amalenzi akhe awik angiwafini njenge-tbek esebenzile mawubhala ngathi awucabanga unasensi kumele ucabanga ubhalisise mina ngafunga ngidlalela ukuregisterisa phela mina ngiyabhalisisa amalenzi amashaya emhlolweni mangiwadropha thatha khona walomjinto afana nepizza egalbotini awathathi khona indaba yakhe ifana nengulube edayisayo isesake na look at them they are breaking I'ma tell you boys you are boring I look at the dictionary see firms the quality of being well known but you don't have a quality skills we all know I mean like we can hear from what you say damn nigga you are lame that's rude of me my nigga oh, that truth hurts you should be thanking me my nigga for my integrity shout out to my fans the ones who keep me going and supporting ithola kubona ngiyathokoza encourage I'm willing to go find this game but time will tell now ezela ngeflow ngiyagijima kuhle kweteksi ehamba ama-long distance ngathi nguthisha ngiyachaza mangasanga sebenzisa umuntu ushaya i-rewind ungafunga ngirephela enkantolo ngoba njengomsolo abaningi ngiyabachaza inale flow sebenzisa umuntu omncane phela mase ngiyahlangena nginasicaka hayi kungatsaka isicaka kodwa ivesi lami licebile ngathi ngibhale i-essay ngechiphe eboshiwe ngishaya into enenkosi phakathi phela lyrical I'm tight ngathi ngibhala ngespanela ngazi umfaza no the undertaker ikhathi zakhe abaningi ngiyabathusa dala ngikhona kule game ozokhumbula kahle mina wenza uringa godol mangizongena eringini yeback engikhathe nayo ngithole godol ungena ku June July phela mina ngishintsha isimo sentalo ngamaphanti ngiyakunetha njengomuntu osohambeni ongayiphethi iumbrella uthi kophela iback usukuzilo ngathi unyo mosque udulala uveva I'm not talking about Mariah Hennessy I'm sick mina lyrically kwiback ngishaya phansi wis opponent ngathi ngibhala ngesenzo secretary unenwele encane ngeke uphikisane nami nawe ngeke sibambele ngehluthu ngibambe emazwini akho modisa mina dethwayo ujoka phela mina ngisosha nawe uyezwela ngeflow ngiyamasha ngiqhube attention lalele kahle pay attention I'm not a commanding officer kodwa ngiyawathola ama salute angaconfuse lama lines phela nginokusha ama lines adidayo uma back I'm one of the best oluka abanye sebe confused I said I'm one of the best that didn't say I'm the only best ngathi ngesponsor sakwakho cause rapping's the best I can do more back than amuzo dance ngehlehlisi uyithola umunokha ngishama phansi kwenza udakwe ngathi ngifuza isijo nokho ngazi umfaza leli dayikho lemthetho ngathi ukhula ibhesi usa ngemuva le gang igcwele ngama threats njenge USB engaskeniwe ucabanga ukuthi nginenyoni mawusho uthi uyangithusa kumele ngishiye ngandlulile empedweni wami ukuze usongisongela angithreathena mina abafana empedweni wami mina ngiyasongela zanke kayiroba la ku class room kwatsela baphutso kuriki Roberts I always take things my way but ubana hana kuriki bar I'm not sick and tired of that but I'm sick and energetic bagijimisa imali sikilisi ngekho bahlanye ama paper chase kodwa ngeke bahlanye njengaphe kwethi ngigijima miye BTS ipithi ngigibela mahala nge-freestyle ngithola i-lift ya mahala ngikhwele ngesihle ngisibe ngehlike ngihlula amagama igcina iphelile mabeqala phansi ngiphinde ngifaka amabhazi ngisho ikhala ngekhwele I'm just like a coin i-beat magnet inamathele kuyona khona lezi zami ukuzenza mina zafake akuhlangani i-beat zayona ngafunga i-hip hop ngamanzi bona abayi-ole bazama ukuyimix akuhlangani nesesebancane bafane kwi-nezwela nani nabibhidla kodwa uqaqalizisa umuka ukuthi ngintshele-ke bafana nespeed amathi kuyaziwa usiphezulu namaphanti njengelogo yaseboxer akudingi ukuthi uzongiyohike ukuze ubone ukuthi ngiyazimisela ngivula ibhode ngintwana semakhaya mangidla uphuthu ngiyabangena ngifike eteksini igcwela ngivula isikhala esincane lana ngiyangena ngoba i-concept ngiyadiliva njenge-postman ngiyaphuma ngiyangena mangivalele ngaphandle njengesigebengu mani hey ngiyaqekeza ngangena ekhakeni ngifike ngentathu noma danano ngenze bento iqonqoni ithi ngena angakashintshi phe kwebeat kuhle kwe-substitute ngiyangena ngiyantshinga le verse masilahlela ngiyangena ngistrake esingabhekane nepala egroundini bangifaka mangicela ungena sengidlala ngibhala amehlo mangishaya igoli ngizoswa ngomsindo bangena phela igama ngusiphezulu umngoma ezulu udlakadlala ube lo ngiphume esigodini sasemajozini entabeni esenqabeni etshelelekele emgwaqweni ngikhulela esigodini sasemanqayini enhloko semaphaya ey'ntabeni kungenateksi mangiyidrobhe ngishanga unyawo ngifike sengijulukile ngikujwayela ukuhamba long distance eswela nawo le beat long distance ngiyabhubhisa omrapha bawekhe bangibiza i-terrorist kwi-rap ngiyabhamisa ngempama ye-punchline akukho ukhokha umoya mina nginekhono nunomona uthanda ukuthusa ubonakali njengemoya emibi inhliziyo yimi ukudlula umgabavu ebuthongweni mina mangirapha ngathi ngiyaphalaza ngavula umlomo ngisabambeki abanye bafana ne-AM radio iningi alibalaleli mina ngine-Twitter lethwayi nelingi landela benze i-experiment yelotho kwi-rap bathatha ama-chance nginamaphantsha strong njengencindi kaMayweather sebengithakathe ebusuku omlulelo kuhle kwempahla efekiwe ngiphupha kabi bese ngiphapha amaphakathi nosuku ngivele ngizirephele ngivusa balele angithi ngerun ngiyaqashisa plus ngiyamemeza mangirapha 1-2-1-2 ngihlola umsindo last rap ngeke ngibhale noma ngaba ngumsindo phela mina isikole ngasiqeda ukuze ngifreestyle ngidinga ibhazari ngizobona ngizoyishaya mahala phe kwebeat yamahala ngishayela lona le beat so mina mahala kule beat yamahala ngiyangena nge-style samahala it's a freestyle check it joya ngishaye samahala mina nginon ode samahala ngisishaya blapha ngidropa amabhazi noma kuphi ngashiya njengedlapha estudio kwisafe emsakwazweni nasestage angikhethi i-multiple choice mina ngiyenze ngingena phe kwebeat ungafunga ngehaga ngoba ngigaqamalazi phela ngiyokwenza izinto ngendlela yami ngikhulume kancane efonini bese ngigibele ehlahleni baqamba mangi bathi ngikhulume lapha noma ngangathola ngishaya present umapete ngiyeza ngenkingi ngoba nginesiphiwo nginetalente umapete ngumdali for isipho phela mina ngicommitted kulo mkhakha odobanye bacabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala sengizorapha ngigqoka ama-kick ngoba nothaya ukuze babone ukuthi I'm serious I know sometimes nokushaya ama-lines hilarious even nomfundisi uphasa mntosi umtshelile hey ngibizelwe kuleto ngaphasa kwe-distinction ka-first year ngenza isispelling ngabizelwa ngathi ukuthi ngiyitshaje njengefone ebhetri low bahlezi bangifuna amabhazi ngafunga ngihlezi ngidamagwaba cause I got tight shit ngishamaleza nyenzayo ngikwenza uphalazi ngigeza igilo ngesitali ngiyacabangisisa ukujula ke ngisizwa ngingadimi njenge-Titanic mayiqwila mina ngaze ngadlala ilotho kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi I may loser I may winner just that angizwani nokuthatha ama-chance ngenkathi ngijoyina i-hip hop kwakubizwa ngangathathi ama-chance phela mina ngazi ukuthi ngisesontweni ngoba ngikhonza ukuyiramela ngiyile nhlobo yenza izinto ngendlela yami ngusebenzisa umgwaqo ojwayelekile mina ingane nginika imali e-return emcimbini uze buye emcimbini akulula ungithola ngithwithizeli ngihlala ndawonye uma ufuna mina kumele ungisingele ngenyosi ukuze ungithole ngebhizi phela mina ngi-social undercover kickstarter screw I got your back mina ngisipho kunina mangingaboni ulani presenting undercover unitshele enukayo engizoyibuza umakho wapheli ngoba ama-ex wamatha ngikho ngekho romantic ngoba ngaze ngabapha imali ngangibanika imbali zetenge bahlepulela i-bags le-5 roses ngiphuma emakhaya ngiqonqela emhlabeni ngenze ngiphuma khona 50-50 but when it comes to money kushintsha inhlelo u-100-0 njengomfundi ongazi lutho umina utholi lutho hluleka ama-goldiga njengedwala bhampi ipiki ngifike ephathini ngishayislide ngigile zonke uzwe bathi ngiyawisa ngishone esibayeni samankonyane ngilanda ukulonga isindo ngoba ethola phela mina iphatha ngisweni ngiqonde scrapyard ngiyazi ngizoyithola ngizobasukela kahle abantu basenemoto ngizoqala into engiyimele meanwhile ngikulu taxi driver ngiqala into engizomela phela mina kwi-mic ngiregula ngenza njengenjwayelo ngistika kwi-concept history njenge-postman ngiyazidiliva ungazi ungifadza ne-hardware ngobumaterial ngizolokhu ngiyidayisa ngoba ngenza i-hip hop bangibiza ngenigama bekubingelela bathi i-WhatsApp bathi ifoni yami inetoshi kuphela ayikho advance ayinayo i-WhatsApp angisiyena udokotela kodwa ifoni yami ngayi-operator bathi zangishiya nganjalo network then ngizoselect i-operator bese ngiyathetha phela ngisentweni ngine-eye contact angidingi yakho i-contact ngizafuna uconcentrate kule contact enginayo I'm so sick as if it's all about the flu. That's what they saying, I'm not saying it, I'm just rephrasing it. Ngiyakhunyulwa ngikhulula ngihlula la dede umthetho wami ngiyarelease njengebomb el-engage ipen kimile semnweni ngathi ngizosayina kanti cha konke lokho ngikubhalayo kuphume ekhanda ungafunga ngikhanda amathi ngenzeka ukona soswatini bayathi ngentatika mabe nginiketa imike ngiyadikajika njenge-DJ libamba inyamatana parakasitwana ngitshenjele esikhuwe ngishaya ngeswati ngixolele Afrikaans ngivele ngikudayisela ama-freestyle uyazi ukuthi nothing for mahala even akuma-cellphone meliqala recharge kuze uzothola ama-minute amahhala mina-ke ngi-recharge-ayo kwi-cypher kuze ngizothola ama-minute amahhala bese ngishayisa amahhala bhekela kini elingcolile uzolihala icherry ngenza i-tomboy mayizakhi ngophapha izobhampa phela ngiwafaka isikelo ngiwavula amamaphantsha aqumiso kwempama my mixtape is out probably you should tell your friends don't you forget your name gossip call them closer to the fence I produce good music every now and then I'm doing it for my fans ngathi ngirephele verande ngoba nginaso istyle songena ipithi ngifike phela isiyona i-CV angishiyi ngihamba neziculi ngoma amafikizolo ithi lo bhuti uhamba nami sengizorephela ku-gravel uze ngizohamba nayo uthuli ngafunga ngithaphe intombi yomuntu ngoba ngihamba nayo uthuli azazi une-allergy enyameni kodwa ufuna i-beef yusache chicken ikikiliki kusilo shem kumnyama ebusweni emkawu ngiyawaqulula ama-punchlines ukudlula uDavid Kawu uyibuza ikhukhula iflo yami ngoba ishiya abantu bekhala iramlona ngiyahlanganisa ungafunga ngiluka ikhanda wena ukulema ukuthi ungumrap kodwa uhlulwe ipeni nephepha uzansi ukuthi eziyobhali ngathi ufunda ucoshwa kopela ku-exam makumele ubhale ngathi salukazi silala ucima ibani into engixakayo unefoni enethoshi
waye ungayikhanyisa ubhale uswela into ongayisho ukuthi uhambe utshela abantu ukuthi uhothi ngikholela ukuthi umuntu uhothi ingakho masepile kuthi uyabanda umuntu uma engakibo kuthi une-advantage ye-home ground
so ngitshalenja ngizekeka intambama ngifike selimathunzi ngifike namaphatlans ami dokubhekla ngitshela abakini ukuthi sesikhona dukuduku usabe ucashitela abakini ukuthi bathi awukho bese ngiyacriticize on constructive I understand the reason why we live in a world of comparison don't influence you to win the competition because you're unique and intelligent You will defeat them when they see that you are winning. The trouble means to bring you down. I got my own style. If you don't like it, it's cool. Cause someone else like it. You want me to rap like a favorite MC? Damn, keep dreaming. You got more negative critics to say. Keep they remaining. Already suggested something that I won't do. I'm not gonna rap like somebody else. When I rap, I don't curse. I swear, that's a promise. I deny changing my style. Maybe you should call me the truth then. This must be so hating cause I'm staring out the facts. You can send your critics to my post. My address still hasn't changed. Inmates are not all in prison for the same penalties. Fame is not my destiny, I'm doing this to earn respect. Others are just in hip-hop, so they can do it big. One day I'll find myself a fair chick, so I can do it big.
One day I'll find myself a fair chick, so I can do it big.
There are positive critics, there are negative ones. The positive critics are constructive, that's why I take notes from them. The negative critics never fools you, but they crush you down. No matter if something's good, no appreciation comes down. That's why I'm so cheeky at them. Cause I'm against breaking down. I'm not gonna change my mind like cloud does. In the form of rain, I got flows. I arrange them in a sort of rose. Guess why I choreograph my mouth? Damn, it swings left and right. Even in the a cappella without a beat, still it moves. My flows undefeated as if I'm playing chess, it makes moves. They lost individuals with busy mumbling and they saying I'm whack. Them on a rate of 0 to 10, I give them 0. They got it all wrong, they need to do the correct things. Cause lyrical and started as a security in the military and I'm not identical. I don't have a twin stop being so typical and I'm so originally. Even Chinese can't even fake me. Ngafunga graphic design cause ngingena nge-style sami. Ngiya-freestyle ngiyatayela phekwe beating dlala rough. Ngiyalimaza ngamagama ngathi kushaya nge-dictionary. Mawuzama ukudisa mina ngivele ngikudle njenge-smoke beef. Ngiyabona i-beef inolulele generation yamanje. Mina ngizoyichopha isali ngamaqatha bese ngifaka ispice ngichithe izinja zami zidle phela mina beef ngi-vegetarian. Ngizidlela amahlahla beef ungayisondeza ama-happy. Ungazami ukuzenza i-omnivore kumina ufuna i-beef anyoni ibu futhi sebaningi labo mrapha bangizela ngebifu ngono ngivula ibhuja ngizoyidayisela olwandle kuze ngizothola isi-profit bona kumele bahambe bawucina umthandazi kuze bazothola isi-profit mawuphaphile lana uphephile ngikushaya ngephathi uzusuphuphile uyibizela amabhadi mawuchallenja mina kwibheki uyariska njengokwelufuro ebusuku ugqoke impahla ezimnyama mina nawe asishadanga so eringi nebheki uxwaye ngathi ngeni
Horror movie.
ngiyanibona bro sikule game ngitholakala phezulu wena kuliphi utholakala emsileni phela iyodwa ngathi negiya iflow mina ngiyashintsha ubani uthi sifeza kakwazi ukuflow ubani uthi sifeza kakwazi ukuflow mangifika ngekhesha mangena ngethesha mangibala ngethesha mangifana ngesheshe ngigibela ngo-left ngehla ngo-right ngifika ngolunye unyawo kanti mawuzenza uphuma silwa ngikusabi kyali you can swim all about the war njenge-move this is 300 Buzz, pace, the Njantini represent. I'm out.